5 colorful ducks waddling by the stream. Red like a cherry, blue like a dream, yellow like the sun, green so bright, purple like the twilight. Oh, what a sight! Quack, quack here, quack, quack there, feathers flying everywhere. 5 colorful ducks, oh what fun, splashing and laughing under the sun. Red duck jumps, lands in the pond. Blue duck dives beyond and beyond. Yellow spins round, green shakes a tail, purple tells jokes, they giggle and flail. Quack, quack here, quack, quack there, feathers flying everywhere. 5 colorful ducks, oh what fun, splashing and laughing under the sun. 1 duck swims far, where did it go? The others call out, their voices glow. Quack, 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 come back quick, here comes the duck doing a trick. Quack, quack here, quack, quack there, feathers flying everywhere. 5 colorful ducks, oh what fun, splashing and laughing under the sun.